Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Because let's be real, nobody wants to throw money down the drain like it's a bad relationship. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning with two contenders, the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop and the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop. Let's see which of these mops is going to leave your floors sparkling and your wallet intact. First up, let's talk about the price. The Shark comes in at a cool $149, while BISSELL is just a tad more expensive at $164. Amazon reviewers appreciate the Shark's value for its performance over the years, with one mentioning they've purchased it 3 times in 10 years, while others have noted the BISSELL's versatility justifies its higher price. But remember, it's not just about the price, it's about what you get for your money. Now, the Shark is like that friend who shows up on time and always has a plan. It heats up in just 30 seconds and gives you steam action that'll make your floors feel like they've just been to a spa. Reviewers rave about its 3 steam settings and effectiveness across various flooring types. On the other hand, the BISSELL is like that overachiever in school who also volunteers at the animal shelter. It not only cleans and sanitizes sealed hard floors, but also comes with a handheld cleaner and multiple attachments. Users love its versatility, especially for cleaning cupboards and counters. Let's talk cleaning power. The Shark claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, and many reviewers confirm its effectiveness. Meanwhile, the BISSELL also boasts the same germ-fighting prowess, but takes it up a notch with its extension tube, perfect for those hard-to-reach spots. A user mentioned that the BISSELL's double-sided pads allowed for better steam production and efficiency, making it a favorite for tough messes. Portability is key when it comes to mops. The Shark is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it a breeze to whip around your living room. Reviewers love its ease of use without harsh chemicals. At the BISSELL, it's got a 25-foot power cord. One user mentioned it can become heavy to carry around, but its long reach means you could probably clean your entire house without moving the plug. And here's something to think about. Every purchase of a BISSELL helps save pets. Reviewers appreciate this social impact. As one noted, they feel good about helping animals while cleaning their floors. Meanwhile, Shark focuses solely on providing clean floors, which is great, but they can't fetch you a stick unless you've got a very creative cleaning routine. Overall, reviewers are generally satisfied with both products. The Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is praised for its reliability and effectiveness, while the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop is celebrated for its versatility and additional features. However, some concerns are raised regarding the durability of the BISSELL over time. So which mop will reign supreme? If you want a straightforward, reliable cleaning experience, go with the Shark. But if you're looking for versatility and a chance to help save some pets, the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim is the way to go. Ultimately, it's about what suits your cleaning style and your home. Remember, whether you choose Shark or BISSELL, you're still going to be mopping floors. So don't forget to grab a snack to keep your energy up. If you enjoyed this steamy showdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more comparisons, and let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose. Until next time, keep buying smart and stay clean, folks.